In the year 2026, China continues to establish itself as a formidable aerospace and defense powerhouse, projecting strength not only regionally in the Indo-Pacific but also globally. With a series of cutting-edge advancements in fighter aircraft, missiles, and unmanned aerial systems, the Chinese military complex, led by the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAF) and supported by the PLA Rocket Force (PLARF) and drone divisions, is embracing next-generation warfare. China's defense doctrine has matured into one of hybrid dominance, using an integrated network of stealth jets, hypersonic missiles, and AI-powered drones to achieve superiority in both conventional and asymmetrical engagements. With the technological gap closing fast with Western powers, 2026 marks a pivotal year in China's shift from regional deterrence to global air combat competitiveness. China's flagship fighter jet in 2026 remains the Chengdu J-20 Weilong Mighty Dragon, which has undergone several evolutionary enhancements since its initial induction. The latest variant, unofficially referred to as the J-20D, boasts fully indigenized WS-15 engines, a major leap from its earlier Russian AL-31 engines. These engines grant the jet supercruise capability and higher thrust vectoring, allowing for unmatched maneuverability in dogfights. The airframe remains stealth-optimized with diamond-shaped canards, internal weapons bays, and radar-absorbent coatings that reduce its radar cross-section dramatically. Visually, the jet is intimidating, shark-like in its lines, sleek and predatory in presence, often compared to the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The design now includes conformal fuel tanks and extended range capabilities via aerial refueling using stealth-compatible tankers like the YY-20U. Internally, the J-20D features a dramatically improved cockpit environment built around a digital combat interface with AI-assisted decision-making tools. The pilot's helmet-mounted display system, HMDS, enables full sensor fusion, allowing for 360-degree threat awareness and target acquisition. The glass cockpit hosts multifunction touchscreens, voice-activated commands, and adaptive flight control systems. There is even an integrated combat AI co-pilot that assists in targeting, electronic warfare operations, and threat prioritization. The interior is also supported by improved life support systems for high-G and high-altitude environments. The ergonomics are designed for long-haul combat and patrol operations, ensuring pilot endurance and situational clarity remain intact under extreme combat stress. Performance-wise, the J-20D is now classified as a sixth-generation fighter in some defense circles. It combines low observability with supercruise, sensor fusion, electronic warfare, and deep integration with satellites and drones. Its radar system, based on AESA active electronically scanned array technology, has been augmented with quantum radar features and advanced elector